How to convert Google Play balance into redeem code. Have extra Google Play balance and want to convert it into a redeem code? Unfortunately, Google Play doesn't offer a direct option for this. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some workarounds to use your balance wisely. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that Google Play balance is non-transferable. You can't officially convert it into a redeem code, but you can use it for purchases and then gift or sell digital items. One way to use your balance is by buying an app, game, or in-app content and gifting it to someone. However, this only works if Google Play allows gifting in your region. You can use your balance to buy gift subscriptions for services like YouTube Premium or Google One. Then you can sell these subscriptions to someone who needs them. If you're looking to make the most of your balance, install Google Opinion Rewards. It gives you free Play credits for answering surveys, which you can use for more purchases. In some cases, you might find third-party apps that allow you to buy gift cards using Play balance. Be careful and only use trusted sources to avoid scams. And that's how you can make the best use of your Google Play balance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.